So you have this track, and the distance from here to here is 100, and that means the distance from here to here is 100. The distance across here is 64. So our first question is, what's the distance around the track? So if we go around the track on the outside of it, we go this part right here and this part right here. If we put those together, we get a circle. So that means that we have to do the circumference of a circle first. And circumference formula is, you can use pi times the diameter, because we know the diameter, and the diameter is right there. It's 64. So you can find that. And then the distance around, so it's that part on the outsides, this and this. And then you're going to add 100 and 100, and that would take me all the way around. So that's part A. For part B, we want the area inside the track. So we know that if we cut this here and here, the two little end pieces together make a circle. And the formula for the area of the circle is pi r squared. Well, we know the diameter, so the radius is half of that. So you have to divide that by 2 to get your radius. So you figure that out. And then the part that's in the middle, this part right here, is just a rectangle, and my rectangle is 100 by 64. So you'll just do length times width, figure that out, and then you just add those two answers together.